Look at your life. You wake up tired. You plan to be productive, but the day controls you instead. Distractions win. Comfort wins. Weak habits win. And you tell yourself, tomorrow I'll change. But tomorrow never comes, because motivation is not the problem. The problem is this: you have no system for discipline. Today, that changes. Today, you enter monk mode. Relatable pain and hard truth. Most people live on emotions. When they feel good, they work. When they don't, they quit. That's why progress is slow. That's why goals stay dreams. That's why confidence never lasts. Life doesn't reward potential. It rewards consistency. And consistency does not come from motivation. It comes from discipline. Monks understood this centuries ago. They didn't wait to feel inspired. They trained first, and clarity followed. While the world chases comfort, monks chose control. That choice changed everything. The monk philosophy. Monk mode is not about religion. It's about identity. A monk wakes up early, not because he feels like it, but because the routine demands it. He eats simply, not because food is evil, but because control builds strength. He speaks less, not because silence is weak, but because words waste energy. Monks live by one rule: remove decision-making from discipline. No debate, no negotiation, no excuses. When action becomes automatic, progress becomes inevitable. That is monk mode. If you want discipline, don't aim for perfection, aim for structure. Here's how you enter monk mode. Rule 1. Fixed wake-up time. Same time every day. No snooze, no excuses. Your morning sets your authority for the day. Rule 2. One daily non-negotiable task. One task you do even on bad days. Workout, study, writing, prayer. One task done daily. This builds trust with yourself. Rule 3. Silence before consumption. No phone, no social media, no noise. Give your mind space before the world enters it. Rule 4. Remove easy dopamine. Comfort kills discipline. If it's easy, unlimited, and addictive, limit it. Monks didn't rely on willpower. They removed temptation. Identity shift. This is what makes it powerful. Here's the real secret. You don't try to be disciplined. You become disciplined. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your identity changes. You stop asking, "Do I feel like it?" and start saying, "This is who I am. I am someone who shows up. I am someone who finishes. I am someone who controls myself." That identity is unbreakable. Most people wait for motivation. Monks don't. They move first, and power follows. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop negotiating with weakness. This is your signal. Enter monk mode. Discipline today, freedom tomorrow. If this message hit you, stay here. This is your training ground. We don't chase comfort here. We build control. Welcome to monk mode.